Most SaaS founders think that they need ads to get users for their SaaS, but that's where exactly they struggle. I haven't spent any money on the ads and I am still getting users using these methods. In this video, I will share 7 ways to get users for your SaaS without using ads. And you can start using them today. I will break down each one step by step and how I use it and which one you should start with. Quick context, if you are new here, I build SaaS and MVPs for the first time founders. I use exact same methods to market my SaaS products without any ad spend. Make sure you stick till the end because the last one is the simplest and most people completely ignore it. So let's dive in. Okay, the first thing we have to understand is how AI has flipped this. From 2015 to 2023, this was the old hierarchy that how products were built. So firstly, software engineers were building the products, and then the product creators come in and started creating products. Then there was marketing and distribution. This was an old hierarchy, and in 2026 plus, the new hierarchy is distribution first, then product, and then started vibe coding. So here is the builder's trap right now that most builders are doing. They vibe code the thing, they try different things to market their product, and then get into the silence mode. Then build more features, launch again, and more silence. This is how most builders are failing right now. So what smart builders do is they build distribution first, grow their audience, ask what their audience need, build that in a weekend using vibe coding tools, and launch to the warm audience. I trade with the real users and get money again and again. So the first way of getting the users for your SaaS is free tool marketing. It works in 2023 and below, and it works right now also. So what is free tool marketing? Free tool marketing is you just create a free tool for the users to interact with them and then provide them the results of that free tool. So for example, if I go to FounderPile, so here is the FounderPile website that have a lot of free tools, and what they do is they just create free tools like business idea validator. So you just enter the business idea, target audience, and language, and then you get your idea validated. After that, they have CTA and how it works, how your free tool works, and then frequently asked questions. And then there is CTA again. So this is how free works. So you build a free tool, user gets instant value, shares their score, and more users discover it. Then you just upsell to the paid product. Like here, you have different CTAs to get users to their main product, that is marketing strategy. Then the second trick or second way to get users is programmatic SEO. Programmatic SEO, in programmatic SEO, you just create thousands of pages using coding. And how thousands of pages are created, you just research the keywords using Ahref or SEMrush website, and then you create a database or just crawl different websites to get the data. So for example, here's how you can start in this week. You just pick a keyword pattern, that is product type. Your product type can be video editing for content creators. You can use that as a keyword pattern, and you start building your database using that data. So for example, I use JSON objects, JSON array to have all that data. So for example, I have created multiple pages for tech canyons, like build an app for build an AI app, build an AI app for dental clinics, AI receptionist for dental clinics, or HVAC or plumbers. What I can do is I can create multiple thousands of pages, and then I just create a page template in Next.js, and AI will generate the content, that unique content per page, and then first start with 100 pages, publish 100 pages, and then monitor indexation means that you just submit that sitemap to the Google and check that when they are indexed, and then scale to 1,000 to 10,000 pages. So this is how programmatic SEO works, and this is how you rank on Google first, and then you can start getting the traffic. So this was second way to get customers, get users for your SaaS, and it's completely free. It's just you have to create the content. Then the third one, that is my favorite, is combining both of the strategies that we defined above, and then we create a one way get users. So you just create a free tool. Let me show you. I will show you the example of this free tool. You just create a free tool and then go into, then create multiple pages that emboss or that embed that free tool. So let me show you how you can do this. So I have this is my website, that is smartcalls.com, and I have multiple pages that have this free tool, that is dial pad for calling. So they get the 2 minute free call and they start making calls for 2 minutes, and then I have different CTAs and also the proof of how we work and how much we have closed or how much SMS we have sent. So here is a proof, and then this is CTA, and then how it works simply and got. So this is free tool plus programmatic SEO. How you can see that we have pages like free call to Afghanistan, free call to Pakistan, free call to United States. So this is how free tool plus programmatic SEO works. The fourth one is the viral artifact. So the viral artifact is the thing that users are bragging about. Users brag about your product. So for example, I create an graph. So for example, I create a graph for smartcalls.com that these people are closing daily and this much calls they have made. So that is something they can share on your Twitter and all that stuff, and on their to their audience. And then one I will show that is that is used quite much, that is this GitHub contribution graph. So you just contribute on the GitHub and you just share this contribution graph, and people will see that they are using GitHub or anything else. More users will use it, and they will convert into your paid product, hopefully. So this is how viral artifact work. Think about what people can share for your tool that is visually appealing. So for example, one more example for this is in batch edits. I just provide them a graph where they edit the videos, and that will show that they have edited, let's say, 10 videos in the last week, and in this week they are editing 30 videos. So that is something appealing to the users, and when they share, our website is getting some more views from there. Fifth one is little expensive, that is you just buy a newsletter or buy an audience. This means that you just go to, this is how you can start this week. So you just go to x.com and search for your niche and then write newsletter, or you can go to this website and you can just buy the newsletter. It's a little expensive thing, but once you get the targeted exact audience, you can make a lot of money. So find newsletter with 5,000 to 50,000 subscribers in your target niche and DM the owner, have you ever thought about selling? Many people are making around $0 to $500, and they will happily sell for $5,000 or $20,000 if they have a greater audience. You now own a direct channel to your audience. So this means that you have the exact audience according to your niche, and you will have, you can just plug in your product immediately and start marketing your product. This is how big creators also do. Mark Lu is doing great job on this. They plug in their own products and then they market their products from the newsletter. Then Sixth one, sixth one, but not the least, is AI content repurposing engine. So what you do is you create a long form video or a long form post or a blog post, and you just give that to AI. What AI will do is that convert that into multiple different small posts. So 5 to 10 tweet threads, 3 to 5 LinkedIn posts, and 2 to 3 short form videos. And one newsletter can be, you can also you can also include you can also create newsletter, you can also add blog post, and you can also add email sequences, so to nurture your audience. And the last one that you guys are waiting for is MCP server as your sales team. So here's how MCP server works. User asks AI a question, AI discovers your MCP server, AI returns or perform action on your data, and users get value from it. This is how you can start in this week. Identify what questions your product answers. So, for example, for smartpost.com, I can use that. Send SMS directly from MCP, market your product. Then build the MCP server that returns the data. You can wipe code it in just a day. Publish two MCP registries, Symmetry, MCP, and Open Tools. Every AI assistant that connects to your server is now selling. Let me share example for this MCP server as your sales team. So here is a tool that uses MCP server to allow Cloud Code or Copilot to use their MCP server to schedule the post on different platforms. Then I will be sharing one bonus method, that is creating an open clause skill. So this is the bonus method that will allow you to create an open clause skill and integrate your product in open clause. So let me show you example of this. Here is one example, that is this tool Postbridge. What it does is just connect with OpenClaw. You can schedule all different posts from your to your social media accounts using just a Telegram bot or WhatsApp connected to OpenClaw. So if you are serious about building a SaaS product, check out this video where I create a SaaS product in just 24 hours using AI tools, and I will see you there.